Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and today I'm gonna show you the Concrobium Mold Control product and also this Injectimate. Injectimate by Hydroforce is used to apply any kind of product or enzyme to reduce the mold, to prevent mold on surface, to deodorize, to pet urine treatment, and many other products. I already installed the tubing into the Concrobium, and this is the Hydroforce, I don't know if you can check, tool. Okay, now inside is the Concrobium. At the end is the syringe that I'm gonna remove the protector. And now the product is ready to insert into this arm of the sofa, especially in the corner, is to treat and prevent any mold. So I'm applying the Concrobium into the sofa, not only outside of the arms or on top of the fabric, but also inside of the padding of the sofa. Right here too. You can spray or you can inject, up to you, but the purpose right now is to inject the product inside. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Y un ratito. No puedo hacer las dos cosas al mismo tiempo.